Hi, Ibun.
Hello, Abi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Abi, what color is it?
It's yellow.
Good. What color is it?
It's blue.
Okay. Is it black?
No, it isn't. It's red.
Good job. Is it gray?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What color is it?
It's white.
Okay. It's a book.
It's
What?
white book.
Okay. What color is it?
It's green.
It's a glass. It's
It's
a...
green glass.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Abi.